Next, identify the type of garden by understanding the elements used in the given picture. Let's look at each and every element and let's try to observe. What do we have? First of all, this building element. What does it look like? It looks like a pagoda. Then you have water element in this. You have bridges but not straight bridges. Okay. You have zigzag bridge, or you can just say not a straight bridge. Okay, so all these elements you will be able to find in Chinese garden. So if you purchase our 51-day course, we are not only solving the previous year questions, we are giving you information about a complete or comprehensive understanding of the subtopic. So in that we will be able to learn all the other types of gardens as well.